Welcome back to the video, guys. Your boy Hollywood here, and today we're going to be doing a first ride on my 2022 Ducati Panigale V4 with the new Sparket exhaust on here. The 3/4 system. It's not the full system because these headers are actually pretty good. You don't really need a full system unless you just want to be obnoxiously like MotoGP racer loud, but this is good enough. It'll do. I've already rode a little bit. It's already starting to blue. We'll kind of like turn gold a little bit down at the bottom and like around the wheels and stuff. Without this right here, this thing gets hot, bro. So like if you're ever gonna do this, you need to like shave that little hump down in the back and get that thing added on back quickly as possible, because without it, oh my god, it is night and day freaking difference. All right, enough yapping. Let's hop on the bike and let's see how she sounds in traffic. Woo! Talk to him, baby. Also, the check engine light is on. I don't know what that's about. I have the servo buddy plugged in, so I don't know. Dude, this thing is so loud, dog. It sounds so good. Dude, I can't wait to get on the interstate and rip a little bit for you guys. I do plan on making a pure sound video coming up. Not anytime soon. It's whenever I go to Dallas and I can hit those tunnels for you guys. Dude, this thing sounds crazy, bro. Absolutely nuts. Bro, this thing sounds crazy. Oh my god! Come on, guys, get out of the way! Go, baby! This thing sounds nuts! Oh my god, bro. I'm so glad I went with this exhaust and nothing else. Oh, listen to those downshifts. Oh my god, bro. This sounds so good. If you guys watch my previous video, you'll see how happy I am in the video. Just from it idling, but like actually hearing it, oh man, this is completely different. This is completely different. Is that rain? I know it's not rain, bro. Oh, come on, don't tell me it's rain. Yeah, this is completely freaking different. Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go, baby. This thing is nasty, son. Oh my god. Listen to those downshifts. Oh man. Oh man, I wonder what it sounds like when somebody else is beside me or whatever, like, because I can't hear it that well because I got a helmet on and stuff, but like, damn. I can't even hit my favorite off ramp. Alright, I guess I'll turn around and go hit my on ramp if I got room. Bro, just listen to like the initial takeoff of this thing. It sounds crazy, like. Woo! This bitch sounds good, son. What the fuck? Bro, I cannot get over that sound, man. Bro, this thing sounds too good, man. I'm so happy, man. I'm smiling ear to ear right now. Man, I cannot wait to be able to like take this somewhere and just rip how I want to, just listen to the exhaust. I can't do it right now. A state trooper just passed me back there, so. And this is a town you do not fuck around in, especially on this main strip right here. Doing the freaking speed limit. Alright, let's go. That was so much fun! Let's go, baby! Yes, sir! Bro, that exhaust makes going around curves so much more satisfying. Like, just being able to hear what you sound like. Ah! This cherry on top, baby! I'm so excited. Let's go! This cherry on top for sure. That dude in that truck was probably like, what the fuck? Dude, I always want to see my POV whenever I'm like riding. Oh, I gotta turn my music down. Like, I always want to see my POV when I'm riding, because like, I know it looks fucking insane. And like, nobody else is doing that on the street, which I know I shouldn't be doing that, but your boys out here geared up, alright? We out here geared up and shit. We got our MBT hoodie on, MBT pants. Discount code Hollywood, or use my link in my link tree in the description below and save yourself some money. Yeah, we're gonna pull over into this little parking lot right here. Oh man, I'm slinging rocks all over the top of my head. Yeah, let's pull into this parking lot and let's listen to this thing. Dude, it already sounds crazy and idle and shit, but like, dude, being able to just pull over and just let this thing eat. Oh man, this is about to be good. This thing sounds freaking incredible. I don't know, man. I'm so happy I got this thing. The exhaust is already starting to change a little bit down there. Like I was saying earlier, it's starting to get a little bit darker. I'm just waiting for that thing to freaking blue like crazy, which I thought it wouldn't take this long because, you know, Ducatis just run hot automatically. So I thought it would have been changed by now because I've been riding for about an hour now. I went out and took a reel and everything. So, yeah, without further ado, enough yapping. Let's hear this thing. Oh my god, man. If that don't get you hyped right there when you get an exhaust, you got the wrong one, son. Oh my god, dude, you can't go wrong with these spark exhausts for Ducatis, man. Like, the undertail just looks so good. And like, the one thing I like about the spark is that it fits under the tail. If you look at the Acura or the Van Diemen, or I can't remember the other one, they all stick outside the tail and it looks just so tacky to me. But if you get the Spark's gonna do it right. All right, they got it up under the tail. Now I will say, like right here, it looks kind of weird. Like, it looks like it's not really like this like this part is not pushed in enough, but like, hey, it looks good to me. But ooh boy, dude, I can't. You can probably hear the excitement in my voice, man. This shit sounds insane, brother. One more time. Yes, sir. But yeah, like I said, whenever I get those other tips in, I think it's gonna sound even better, even more insane than what it does now. Alright, one more off-ramp for old time's sake, baby. This one's tricky because it's bumpy and there's like, you're going over these bumps and shit. So, oh, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Talk to him. Talk to him. Let's go! Oh man, this thing sounds fucking phenomenal, guys. I wish you can just hear it in person. I know the video doesn't do it any fucking justice, man. It doesn't do it any justice. Damn, this thing sounds good. Let's go. I made a good choice. Look at that. Oh! It's on the screen! Bro, I'm telling you. Also, listen to what I figured out. Like, if you pull the clutch in, well, I guess it's not doing it right now, but whenever you just like blip it just a little bit, oh, it sounds like perfect. Woo! That was crispy. Alright guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below your favorite part of the video, hit that subscribe button, share this video around for everybody that is wanting to get a spark exhaust and they're just trying to make their decision if they should get it or not. After they watch this video, I guarantee it's going to be a no-brainer. You got to get the spark exhaust for the Ducati Panigale V4, baby. It just sounds so good. Alright, without further ado, enough yapping. Wear your gear, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!